have a new vacuum.
Woohoo! Cleanview Bissell 1-Pass Plus technology, powerful lightweight design, large dirt cup capacity. And the features? Multi-cyclonic suction system, turbo brush tool, 6-foot stretch hose and tools, washable filter, easy empty dirt take. Pet inspired. And it's easy to assemble. More than 20 feet of cord. Ready to plug and play. And now turn it on. You can see the cylinder picking up the dust. 1-pass challenge. Easily unclip the cylinder. That's the amount of dust that has been taken up from the carpet in 1 pass. An easy empty cylinder. Does it do corners? Does it do stairs? Let's clip on the turbo brush. Whoa! Look at the turbo brush go! It's getting everything! This is awesome! So we purchased this Bissell Cleanview vacuum because we're on a budget. And this thing is awesome. What can't it do?
Homework.
Well,